Bamboo recently rolled out an update this morning, the 2nd of October 2025, and I want to talk about the new features that were added to the app and how it impacts your trading. I'm really excited about all the features, so I'm going to be yapping about them a lot, but I promise you I am not just going to be talking about them, but also showing you on this side of the screen, how to navigate the app, how to use any of those features or locate any of those features. So let's talk about the things that were recently rolled out on the app, and we're going to basically dissect them one by one. Of course, you're not going to be able to fully experience these features if you have not updated your Bamboo app. So go to Play Store or App Store and check to see if your Bamboo app is updated or not. If it's not updated, I think you should update it. If you get the latest update, you'll be able to see the features that I'm going to be discussing in this video. So I'm going to start with the obvious one. They now brought referrals to the homepage of the app. So if you log into your Bamboo app now, you can actually see the referrals option. You can click on it and you see your referral link to refer your friends to Bamboo. Every time your friends install the Bamboo app and they sign up with your code, you pretty much get 2.5% from the money they use to make their first trade. So Bamboo is trying to encourage more people to send out their referral links or their referral codes and pretty much get their friends on the platform. And if you refer a friend and their transaction and everything is successful, they buy their first stock, you get 2.5% from that entire trading transaction. You can also now change your referral username. This is something you could not do before. For a very long time, I've been on the app for like 5 years. I haven't been able to change my username, but this is now something you can do. Although I don't intend to change my own username because it's pretty much everywhere now. But yes, you can now change your username on the Bamboo app and you can refer your friends. And if they sign up, you'll pretty much get a bonus, in case you didn't know this. The second feature they added on the platform is for fixed returns. You can now reinvest your interest. So if you lock your money on the Bamboo app and you just leave it there for quite some time, you're going to get returns. And now they are saying that you can actually reinvest those returns. I think that this is now so because people were asking for it. I remember using the Naira savings feature as well, and there was really no way to do a couple of things. And I talked about this in a previous video, but being able to actually reinvest your interest, the money you make from actually putting your money on the platform, is a very good thing, because from there your money can actually compound with time and you'll be able to make more money. So this is a very, very good development. Then the one I really love more than anything is the extended trading hours. You can now trade stocks outside of the regular trading hours, and I'm going to explain how this works because it's really crucial. Now, at the moment, if you want to buy stocks, it's usually, the US stock market is usually open from 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time until 9 p.m. The market gets closed, and that's it. You cannot buy or sell stocks until the next day, Monday to Friday. That is how it has always been. But these new extended trading hours actually let you trade pre-market. It means that you can wake up in the morning, 9 a.m. Nigerian time, you can actually log into your Bamboo app, buy a stock or sell a stock, and it will work. I'm going to tell you the advantages of this and the disadvantage, but let's cover the other part of it. When the stock market closes by 9 p.m. now, you can now actually still continue trading stocks until around 1 a.m. So I'm going to put this on screen so you can see, when the pre-market hours are, when the, after hours are, and all of that. This is just for US stocks. It's not for the Nigerian stock market. Right? And I did want to warn that trading after hours or before market opens regularly can mess up your trade. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's not. Let's say, for example, Uber is going to announce their earnings by 9 a.m. before market opens today, and they go ahead and do that. A lot of people will now get a chance to quickly sell their shares if the earnings of Uber is not looking good. A lot of these companies announce their earnings when market opens, or before market opens and after it closes. So being able to trade pre-market and after hours means you can actually sell your shares immediately if the news you hear about a company is not good, or if Uber is saying we did really well this past quarter. For October, November, December, the last quarter of the year, we are going to do really well. People will just rush and start buying. Now the market has closed, or the market hasn't opened for the day. Before, you cannot buy the stocks immediately, but with this pre-market and after-market trading feature, which is called extended hours, you can now go ahead and buy stocks or sell stocks immediately. If Uber announced good earnings, you can just buy and from there make more money. So it also makes the market volatile, because when stuff are being announced after market has closed, a lot of people will be getting in and out of trade. So because of that, a stock might pump and then go down. So there's just high amount of volatility and all of that. So you need to be very careful if you want to use that feature. I have tested it. It works fine. I tried buying, I think it was FLNC, the stock. I bought it around 1 p.m. Nigerian time. That's 1 hour 30 minutes before the stock market would regularly open, and the trade was successful before the market even opened for everybody. So I think that this is really good. This is amazing. It's also going to help Bamboo grow in terms of just being a step ahead of their competitors, because I don't think there's any other platform out there right now that lets you trade pre-market. I'm talking about Nigeria, of course. I let you trade pre-market and after hours. Now, if you don't have the extended hours feature on your stock trading app, the Bamboo trading app, you need to go to your profile icon at the top left corner, click on that, and then you see an option to turn on or disable extended hours. Personally, I think you should turn it on, so you'll be able to exit and enter trades at any time. But if you don't, if you like the old Bamboo and you don't really want to do extended hours trading, then you can just turn it off. I hope this has helped you understand it to some extent. If you have questions, if there's something specific you don't understand, feel free to ask me in the comments. Now, the last thing they added on the app is the ability for you to share your portfolio. Now you can just go to a stock, right? Go to your ownership and click on the share option. You can now share your stock to show your friends how well or how bad your stock is doing. It will basically generate a screenshot of that stock in terms of percentage. Don't worry, it's not going to review your money, how much you initially invested. It's only going to show the percentage, how well the stock is doing or how bad the stock is doing. This is also very good for maybe people who teach investing classes, or people who want to basically show their friends that, oh, I made 200k or 200% rather trading this particular stock. You can sign up with my link. So this is very good. You can just go ahead and go to your portfolio. You can share your entire portfolio so people will see how well your portfolio is doing. Or you can just go to a stock you want to show a friend and click on share. It will share that stock and to basically show you the percentage. This is very good. I've been using it, and a friend was asking me earlier today on Instagram how I was able to do it. So I hope the animation you can see on screen helps you, will help you do that. And of course, if you have questions, feel free to ask me. So these are the features that were recently rolled out on the Bamboo app. I'm still looking forward to more stuff, to be honest, like the ability for you to trade on the website. Because at the moment, I have to pick up my phone every single time if I want to trade stocks. And I'm looking forward to them just, fixing that. I want to be able to trade on PC, on my Mac, on my Windows as well. But yeah, that's the update I have for you guys. If you have questions, let me know. If you're still asking if Bamboo is legit, I have been using Bamboo for quite some time. I'm not an ambassador for them. It's not investment advice, but again, a lot of people have made money on the platform, and you can too. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.